Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. As global cues are looking slightly negative, क्योंकि equity markets are trading in the red. South Korea and China both have come out with negative economic data. China से जो PMI है, manufacturing और services, दोनों में contraction का indication है, but the contraction is much more than expected. It is quite normal to see the Chinese economic data do badly क्योंकि वहाँ पे the COVID disruptions है, now the ongoing protests, but the contraction is much more than the market was anticipating. But उसका कोई impact at least Indian rupee में दिख नहीं रहा in the offshore market. USDINR in the offshore is trading lower, 81.62.63 के आसपास है spot, which means a gap down open. But फिलहाल dollar rupee is stuck in a range. अगर देखा जाए for the past 10 days or so, 81.30 के नीचे ये sustain नहीं कर रहा है, 30.40 के नीचे, and at the same time 81, 85, 90 के ऊपर spot is not sustaining. So this 81.40 से 85 looks to be the range. इसके लिए we have been focusing on shorting options जैसे कि straddle shorts, strangle shorts, iron fly shorts. Kyunki those are better strategies to focus on when the market oscillates in a range. And that has worked out quite well over the last 1 week. These strategies have accrued a lot of profit. And currently we are also short straddles and iron flies on the 2nd December expiring weekly contracts. And we will continue to advocate. It is better to focus on such strategies. Straddles better है आपका अगर high risk का ability है, और intraday आप अगर करना चाहते हो तो straddles is a better option. But अगर आप expiry तक hold करना चाहते हो position को, then it is advisable to focus on iron flies and not straddles. Strangles would be our third best option क्योंकि strangle में क्या है कि premium collected is lower and it takes time for sizable profits to accrue. But again, it will be a one of the option, but after straddles and iron fly. Cross currencies में euro INR और GBP INR may continue to be in a range, but आज we could see some volatility in the currency markets after the markets close here in India. क्योंकि एक है the Indian GDP numbers which would be out, and the market is anticipating a growth of around 6.2% in the last quarter. And उसके बाद the Fed chairman Jerome Powell is going to take the stage and speak. The market will focus कि कितना hawkish he says. Right now the expectation is that Fed is going to hike just 50 basis points mid-December. Whether after his speech those odds change or not will decide the impact on the currency market. So that will be one event we'll be keeping our eyes on. इसके अलावा with this week there are a number of high-profile economic data from US, and उसमें से सबसे important रहेगा US jobs report that is on Friday. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.